The next one we're going to do is called Creer, or To Believe. This is a relatively new piece of music. It was written just a few years ago. There was a school in Texas who had like a really central figure in their school. It was their school bookkeeper. And this person was a really strong leader in the school and in the community, and was sort of a rallying figure for the school. And she unfortunately passed away of COVID-19 during the pandemic. So the band program contacted the composer Rachel Standridge to write a piece of music, kind of honoring her life and what she meant to the school. And it's a really beautiful piece of music. And it's just, there's a lot of emotions in this piece. There's a lot of complexity. From a mechanical standpoint, this is the hardest thing that I brought, and the kids absolutely just ate it up and crushed it. There's a lot of emotionally complex themes in this piece, as you will hear. And I just wanted to, on a more serious note, band is, I think, really useful and important for the purpose of these kids having a really positive way, or really constructive way, to channel some strong emotions that they may be feeling. Not every piece we're going to play is happy, sunshine, and rainbows. This piece is definitely not that. But music can be a really good outlet to get out some emotions that are very complicated. And I know for me, that was a really, really important thing for me in high school. I went through a lot of troubling things in high school, went through some drama, some relationship issues, some other life things, and getting to march with the drum line and just actually destroy a bass drum was it was so helpful for me in my troubled youth, to be able to express some of those things that I was feeling. And for these kids, as I'm sure I don't have to tell you, there's a lot of crazy things going on in the world right now. Lots of crazy things. And this can be an opportunity for them to take some of those emotions that they're feeling and channel it in a constructive and positive way. And one of the things that I like the most about band, and we talked about this a lot this weekend actually, is band is really, really good at teaching you teamwork. And I told them that band is more of a team than most sports teams. And they're like, what do you mean? And I was like, do you see a bench? I do not see a bench. If you're bad at the basketball team and the game's on Friday night, you're probably sitting for most of that game, right? Band does not have that. Everybody's working together as a team. Everyone is working together all the time. If we have 100 people in this band and one person plays a wrong note, it makes everybody sound bad. So you have to be able to work well with every single person in the group. Okay, we did this yesterday. We're gonna do it again. All right, no names. All right, raise your hand if there's someone in your band program you are not very fond of. Parents, raise your hand if there's someone in your workplace you are not very fond of. Okay. So we talk about this a lot in my band room back at home. It's like, you know what? You don't have to be best friends with everybody that you work with, but you do need to learn to work with them. Okay? If you have lots of differences, whatever those differences may be, whatever things you do not see eye to eye on, you can still come together and make some beautiful music together. And that's exactly what these guys have done for the last 2 days. I'm so, so proud of them. And band is a really good way to teach that. It's not the only way, it's just the way that I like the most, to teach that teamwork, And my students are often surprised when I'm like, yes, there's people in my building, there's other teachers I do not like in my building. Just because we're not, going out partying on Friday night together does not mean that we can't work well together. If my boss is like, hey, I need you to work with them on a project, I'm like, cool, we'll get it done. I'm not gonna hang out with them on Saturday, okay? But we will work together, we'll get it done, we'll have a good time. That's what it is a really important skill for these guys going into the future. Not only for future employment, but also given the state of the world, I feel like we can use a little bit more cooperation. And this piece, I think it does a really good job of tying together a lot of emotional complexities and kind of expressing some of those things. So we hope you enjoy Creer.